This is a product review for Kidspot New Zealand, Lego DUPLO truck and tracked excavator. Lego encourages my child's creativity by letting him reenact scenes he sees when we watch trucks and excavators, as well as drawing on his own creativity to add to the structures or remove things to make it his own. It helps with his language and concept of in and out, empty, fill, up and down. The DUPLO set has allowed him to look at his granddad and the digging that he does in the garden and liken it and link back to the DUPLO that he gets to play with now. So he feels part of his granddad's world while he plays